reminder of our glorious past and our responsibilities as citizens of this great nation. To enlighten us with such thoughts, I invite Anjum Farhat to deliver a speech. A very good morning to everyone. I am Anjum. Today we gather here to celebrate 79th Independence Day of India. On 15th August 1947, our country became free from British rule. Great leaders like Dadabhai Naoroji, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpati Roy, Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and so many leaders fought us to freedom. Independence Day reminds us of the sacrifices made by freedom fighters. We honor our national flag by hoisting it and singing the national anthem. Let us be proud of our country's rich culture and diversity. We must protect our freedom with honesty and hard work. Thank you, one and all, for giving me this opportunity. Jai Hind, Jai Bhim. A patriotic song that will fill our hearts with love for the motherland. Now I invite Akanksha and Niharika to perform a patriotic song.
మన జాతీయ జెండా ఎగరాలిరా మన స్వాతంత్ర జెండా ఎగరాలిరా మన జాతీయ జెండా ఎగిరితే మనకెంతో హాయినిచ్చురా ఎగిరితే మనకెంతో హాయినిచ్చురా 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 ఎగరాలిరా మన స్వాతంత్ర జెండా ఎగరాలిరా మన జాతీయ జెండా పింగళి వెంకయ్య గారి ప్రతిపాదనరా మువ్వెన్నెల జెండాకి ముక్తి కలిగెరా పింగళి వెంకయ్య గారి ప్రతిపాదనరా మువ్వెన్నెల జెండాకి ముక్తి కలిగెరా మన గాంధీ నెహ్రూ బాసు సింగు కలలు పండెరా మన గాంధీ నెహ్రూ బాసు సింగు కలలు పండెరా మన భరత మాత జాతికే ముక్తి బాటరా విముక్తి బాటరా ఎగరాలిరా మన స్వాతంత్ర జెండా ఎగరాలిరా మన జాతీయ జెండా ఆంగ్లేయులు ఏనాడో తొలగిపోయరా భారతీయులు ఈనాడు దేశమేలరా ఆంగ్లేయులు ఏనాడో తొలగిపోయరా భారతీయులు ఈనాడు దేశమేలరా సమతత్వము సమభావము చాటి చెప్పెరా సమతత్వము సమభావము చాటి చెప్పెరా సమజీవనాడుగులలో సాగిపొమ్మురా సాగిపొమ్మురా ఎగరాలిరా మన స్వాతంత్ర జెండా ఎగరాలిరా మన జాతీయ జెండా ఎగిరితే మనకెంతో హాయినిచ్చురా ఎగిరితే మనకెంతో హాయినిచ్చురా 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 ఎగరాలిరా మన స్వాతంత్ర జెండా ఎగరాలిరా మన జాతీయ జెండా థ్యాంక్ యూ
India. Let's begin with Master Willard Adams from Britain.
Hi, good morning.
Namaskar.
Oh, you have still not changed.
We won't change. It's our passion and respect towards our country's traditions and customs.
Oh, that's okay. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you.
I believe British should help India. We built road, railways and telegraphies. We started schools and colleges. We brought English law and civil services. We built dams and factories. India became more connected and modern.
Yes, you built things, but for British use. Railways for transporting goods to ports. But you snatched away everything from us. You took away our cotton, spices and gold to Britain. Our farmers suffered a lot. Our industries are destroyed. You made us poor and dependent.
we gave India the English language. Now it helps in jobs and global trade. We gave you a strong system to follow. Our laws helps your constitution.
But you also stole from us. You took away our Kohinoor diamond to London. You looted countless treasures from temples and palaces. You emptied our Indian treasures. Before you came, India was very rich and often called us Golden Bird. But when you left in 1947, India was poor and broken.
But we connected India to the world. Our system helped India to grow after freedom. Even your railway network still works well today.
Your railways were built by Indian money. Indian people built them under harsh conditions. Profit went to Britain, not to India. And during World War II, you forced India to pay funds to British wars. And you caused a Bengal famine where many people died.
Maybe something went wrong, but we didn't only take, we also gave.
You gave after taking too much. You ruled us for 200 years. You broke our economy, divided our people. You trust and you broke our everything. And even Indian education was limited to serve British needs. You didn't came to help. You came to rule.
Oh, I agree.
Thank you both. This debate reminds us our past. We must learn from history. Let us honor the freedom fighters who fought for her and let us protect our future with unity.
We love history,
We love history, but we love our freedom fight.
Good morning, students. Please have your seats. Students, do you know what are we going to discuss today? Today we are going to discuss about one of the most iconic and significant days in our history. Students, why we celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August?
Because we got independence on that day.
Yes, but what does independence really mean? Freedom is not just about hoisting a flag. It is about remembering the blood, the tears, the sacrifices made by thousands of brave souls so we could sit in peace today. Today, we speak freely, study freely, and enjoy freely. But remember, this freedom was not free. It was bought with the lives of millions. The least we can do is respect our country and do our part to make it better. You may become doctors, engineers, or soldiers. But never forget, you are first and forever an Indian.
Sir, what is that which you have brought? Sir, I will help you.
This is our national flag. And it is not just a piece of cloth. This is our Tiranga. Each color tells a story. Saffron, the sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Rani Lakshmi Bai, who smiled while giving up their lives. White, the truth and peace shown by Mahatma Gandhi, who fought with non-violence and love. Green, our rich lands, our fields, our farmers, our future. And the Ashoka Chakra in the center. It reminds us to keep moving, to never stop doing our duty, and to always be with unity. Come, let's have a brief explanation about our national flag.
वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
About our national flag. Students, do you know there was a time when even saying Vande Mataram could get you jailed? People were beaten just for carrying this flag.
Sir, children are also part of freedom fighter?
Yes, even children like you joined marches, protested and went to jail. They were fearless, they were patriotic. Sukhdev, Khudiram Bose, they were just teenagers when they gave up everything for India. It won't be fulfilled without mentioning about our brave, courageous and patriotic soldiers. They are striving hard in the cold temperatures, being away from their families. They are the real heroes of our country. We must respect them. And you have to be ready all the time by saying, if my country needs me, I'm ready.
Sir, I want to do something for this flag, sir. I want to serve the nation.
That's the spirit, Anjali. But remember, true patriotism is not just about saying Jai Hind, but serving the nation.
Yes, sir. I'll serve the nation.
That's good.
I want to become an army officer. Today, at any cost, I'll convince my parents and I'll become an army officer. Hello? Hello? Sir, yes. I want to apply for army officer training, sir. Please send me the forms. Today, I'll convince my parents. I'm ready.
Anjali, come for dinner.
Amma Nana, I want to join the army.
What? Army? That's dangerous. You are our only daughter.
We love our country, but girls in army? No, it's not for you.
Please, Amma Nana, if not me, then who? You taught me to be brave. The army is not just for men. The flag doesn't ask who's carrying it. It just wants someone brave enough to hold it high.
But we worry.
I'll train hard. I'll stay strong. But please support me.
నిద్రపోతురా నిలువెత్తున నిప్పు కంచె వైలు కొంటేనే జాతి బాధ ఎదురుతుందిరా ఎదురుతుందిరా ఇండియా దిల్లే ఇండియా దిల్లే ఇండియా తన భరోసా నువ్వే దేశం संडे से आते हैं आते हैं बिजली आती है मुझे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये घर सोना सोना है నువ్విటు రాలేదు పని తెలియదు అని నీ అడుగిటు పడలేదు తెప్పగు ధీరుడివని బలమున వ్యక్తులని
Right, Mrs. Anjali, who is appointed as the commander of the Indian Army by being a girl. Now I'll invite parents of the Anjali to come and share their views.
That's our Anjali, our soldier.
She looks so strong and proud. We once stopped our doctor, but today we say with pride, let your children dream, even if the dream is difficult.
Girls can guard the borders too. We gave birth to a soldier. Jai Hind.
భగ 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 భగమండే నిప్పుల వర్షమొచ్చిన జనగణమన అంటూనే దూకేవాడే సైనికుడు. అంటూ మంచు తుఫాను వచ్చిన వెనకడుగే లేదంటూ దాటేవాడే సైనికుడు. దడదడదడదడమంటూ తూటాలే దూసుకొచ్చిన తన గుండెను అడ్డు పెట్టి ఆపేవాడే సైనికుడు. మరణాయుధాలు ఎన్నెదురైనా ప్రాణాన్ని ఎదురు పంపేవాడు ఒకడే ఒకడు వాడే సైనికుడు. సైన్యుడు నీకెవ్వరు, నువ్వెళ్ళే రహదారికి జోహారు.
Is not just a land, it is our mother. Every Indian, whether a student, teacher, farmer, or a soldier, must take responsibility to protect her. And dear parents, don't stop your daughters. Give them wings to serve the nation. Jai Hind.
Celebration, it's time to express our gratitude. Now I invite V. Booster to present the vote of thanks and close today's program.
On this proud occasion of Independence Day, I feel honored to propose the vote of thanks. First and foremost, a heartfelt thanks to our Director Manoj Sir, Academic Director Sindhura Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and dedicated staff who encouraged and supported this event, and a wonderful thanks to all the participants for their energetic performances. Secondly, I would like to thank our Durga Ma'am, Achna Ma'am, and Kalyan Sir who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this event and grand success. Your dedication, planning, and support helped everything run smoothly. We are truly grateful to you three. Finally, I conclude my speech by the promise: let us all remember and promise to respect the sacrifices of freedom fighters and pledge to build a better India. Thank you. Jai Hind.